This is the problem.
Hello. We have 4 people.
You guys are good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. One of my friends I picked up in Fresno.
Just in case, sure.
I took it from 2 different. You know what I want? I want view of. I want to get the ocean back there. Without the rails, forget it.
Before you get back. Daddy, you're going too fast.
Really?
Yeah. I just closed this. Oh, 4 times.
These are the ones too. That's the best route. How did they come together?
Yes, honey. To be continued later. Why is it
photo here is going to be $5.95.
Oh, no, we're right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.